Hi, good evening. Welcome all to my channel Wealth Wizard. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the post-market analysis. Nifty price action clearly indicates profit booking visible at all bounce backs and resistance at higher levels. Nifty futures slips to close below 19,700 and closed around 19,660 zones. Nifty supports placed at 19,600, 19,550 for now. Resistance placed at 19,760, 19,830. Bank Nifty chart setup. Bank Nifty has been trading in a range with a negative bias. 44,300, 44,400 remains crucial support areas and resistance placed at 44,800, 44,900 zones. Until and unless it stays below 44,900, Bank Nifty setup is weak and sell on rise can be executed for targets of 44,200, 44,300 zones. Sum up, Nifty Bank Nifty shows signals of weakness and sell on rise can be executed until and unless Nifty close above 19,850 and Bank Nifty above 49,000 levels. For the targets of 19,500 on the Nifty and Bank Nifty for the targets of 44,300, 44,200 zones. That's all for now. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care. If you like our analysis, do hit the like button and share it to your friends. And also, if you have not subscribed and if you are watching our channel for the first time, do subscribe our channel for more market updates and market insights. Thank you. Happy investing. Take care.